One of the really tough areas of the face to hide the signs of aging is the forehead. And in fact, this is an area of the face that begins to show aging really early on because, of course, we use all of these muscles around our eyes and in our forehead to show emotion. So depending on genetics and depending on stress levels in your life and how much sun damage you have, this area really does begin to show creases and lines really quickly. They all start off as dynamic wrinkles that happen when we smile, cry, make those faces that relax and go away. But over time, the skin sort of learns and buckles into those lines that we see, sticking around much longer than we would like them to do. So there aren't a whole lot of products out there that are dedicated to this area of the face. Generally speaking, most skincare routines just include the forehead, just like any other area of the face and or neck. But today I'm going to be reviewing a product that is specifically tailored, made for this area for deeper lines and creases, especially that number 11 that a lot of folks get between their eyebrows. A product that not only helps improve those areas over time as a skincare product, but allows you to blur these deeper lines and wrinkles out in a formula, making them almost invisible immediately when you use it. The product is called Bounce Back Forehead Line Treatment. It's by Dermalect. This is a brand that I have reviewed here on the channel in the past, and I really like their unique formulations and the fact that they are so reasonably priced when it comes to these type of topical products. And this is a water-based, fragrance-free product, so if you have sensitive skin issues, especially around things like fragrance, this isn't going to be a problem for you. And even though it is formulated for those deeper lines and creases of the forehead, it also works equally well around the eyes for crow's feet, and even helps blend out marionette lines around the corners of the mouth on the face. I also like that it has botanicals included in its formulation, namely geranium blossom, which is known as a powerful antioxidant. Also includes a multi-peptide complex. We talk about peptides and how important they are. That would be those amino acids that are really important as the building blocks of collagen in your skin. Also, generally speaking, you would apply this morning and or night, but you can actually apply it anytime you want to blend out these areas because of that blurring effect. You're not going to be using it too much. And you apply it with this little tool that comes with the product that helps you get the product down in those lines and wrinkles, because as you fill them in, you want the product to stay in the line or crease and not be blended back out. So we're going to take a close-up of my forehead, and I'm going to apply this product to just one side, treat just one side, so we can get a better idea of how it works and how it looks treated and untreated. So we're going to apply it to this side only, getting it in those tiny little lines that I have. Actually, they're more apparent on this side of my forehead than the other for whatever reason. So clearly I can see a big difference in how this looks now that I've treated it versus how it looked before I applied the product. But more importantly, that heavier line I have right in the middle just sort of disappears as it gets to this side of my forehead, which is where the lines are actually deeper. So that's disappeared, all for the use of this product. And the other thing I really like about this particular one is that it doesn't get really super dry and tight. Your skin stays hydrated looking. There's not a gray or ashy cast to the skin at all. Super easy to reapply it if you need it. It has that really great matte finish that makes it look completely invisible. Now, testing this out with the use of a foundation, you would use this product last. Again, the way this particular product works for line blurring is that you want it to stay in the line and not be massaged back out. So if you've been looking for something that could work well for deeper forehead lines, crow's feet, that number 11, this is a really great product to check out. I'll put a link down below in the video description box where you can do that. Should you decide to use this product by Dermalect, please come back to this video, let everyone know how it's working out for you. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, please be sure and check out this video I picked out for you next. Thank you for watching and supporting my work. I really do appreciate you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video. And of course now, I need to go treat this side of my forehead.